Hello, hi. Here I'm going to show how we can create a back orders in the manufacturing process. For that, just I'm opening the manufacturing module, operations, manufacturing orders. I'll take one of the sample manufacturing orders. I took it. Here now I'm going to show how we can do the back orders in the manufacturing process. Before going that, I have to transfer the products. This will be done by the inventory user. We have to move the products from the stock to pre-production. Just I am validating it. Then I am moving to the manufacturing process. Now let I open the shop floor. Here we having the 65 units of the product need to be produced in the bottom glass glue pasting operations. Here only as of now only we are produced 30 units. So I'll process the 30 units which is being manufactured. I'm just validating it. I am just mark as done. I'm just closing the production. Now the two back orders has been created. 001 for the 30 units and 002 for 35 units. The remaining 35 units will be the back orders, and the transfers. Actually, two transfers has been created for 30 products. So this also will be done from by the inventory user. Here we have to move the products from the post production to stock. We are just validating it, and we have done for the 30 units. We are just going for the manufacturing. 30 units is done. So now we are moving to the 35 units. So what we are going to do means, again we are going to shop floor, the sub assembly work centers. 35 units is remaining, which is also being done. Now we are going to give us a mark as done, and we are closing the production. Now the manufacturing process completely done. And again one more transfer is being created for the remaining 35 units. So this also will be done by the inventory user. Just now we have to validate the transfer from post production to stocks. Just we are validated. The complete movement has been done. Manufacturing process being done. 001 will be the main order and 002 will be the back order for the remaining 35 units. Like this way, we can process a back orders in the manufacturing module. Thank you.